yung audio natin. So for today, we're going to San Pedro Street. So this one of our famous street here in Davao City. Ayan yung church namin. This street is also wireless. Ayan, if you can see, wala masyadong wire. There are visible wires sa gilid, but the whole street is part siya ng underground cabling. So if you're wondering why yung City Hall namin po is maliit lang siya, so if you're wondering saan nagpa-process ng mga documents, meron din kami tinatawag na sangguniang panglungsod. So anything, if you need legal documents for your business,